阿 Sir， 我冇做啊，阿 Sir 唔係我啊，我嗰日行過，唔好講大話，我嗰日行過嗰個 Seven， 冇呃人啊，我無辜啊。Hey guys, I'm Germani and today we'll be unboxing both of these items on this video. This one we don't know what it is yet because it's in a box, but this one it's quite obvious what it is. It's a light, and this video is brought to you by Tmall and Lazada Malaysia. So I guess what we're gonna do now is put away these things so that we can focus on the unboxing. We'll unbox this later. We'll unbox this first. So far in this box, there is not a lot of text. I recognize this logo. This logo is Xiaomi's logo. And it looks very minimalist, which is something that I like. Oh right, Mi's LED desk lamp. It's been a while. It's been a while since I had any desk lamp, you know, because I'm not doing as much reading as I should. Oh no. Here it says Good Design Award 2016 and Gold Award 2017. So this lamp, or this desk lamp, is it called desk lamp? Yeah, this desk lamp has won a lot of awards, okay? Don't pray. Right, let's open it up. A Mi lamp manual right on the top. The packaging, oh my god, packaging, next level. Okay, I have to be really careful. Can I pull it up? It's so convenient to open this because like there's just enough room for you to pull up. You know, some boxes you just can't pull up and you have to like pour everything out. Wouldn't expect any less from an award-winning lamp. Remove this. Ooh. Even the quality of this is so good. Oh my god. ASMR, guys. This is the cable for this lamp, and this is the lamp itself. Oh. Hold on. So there is this, which is like, it tells you step 1, step 2, step 3 on how to operate the light. The power supply ready? I think I'm gonna switch off all the lights first before I switch this on, you know, to kind of experience it firsthand, how bright this light can be. Switch this off. It's so dark. I'm scared. Okay, so I'm just gonna press one time. Ooh. Wow, it's actually really bright and really cool actually. Like, I'm totally imagining right now I'm in a police station. 阿 Sir， 我冇做啊，阿 Sir 唔係我啊，我嗰日行過，唔好講大話，我嗰日行過嗰個 Seven， 冇呃人啊，我無辜啊。你有殺咗佢係咪？佢抵死啊！ Spin the knob to adjust brightness. So this is the brightest you can go, and the dimmest is like this. And we can change the color temperature, right? Press and spin. Oh my god! It's warm now, and it's cool again. It's warm now. You prefer cool or warm?
Now warm look like a horror story.
Look like a horror story. Well, this is pretty cool. You can use this to film videos as well. And I heard that there's actually an app for us to use, so I'm gonna try to use the app together with this light. Oh, this is gonna be on my computer desk now. Woo! Woo! Wonder how much does this cost? So now it says the lamp is off. Okay, can we power it on? Oh yes. Can change the temperature. Is it? Yes. All from my phone. Can I change the temperature while I'm like away? Pretend that I'm in the toilet right now, but I want my table to have orange light. Oh my god, this is so cool. So there is reading. So this is probably the setting that is great for reading. PC mode. So this is the reading. Let me try to read under this light. Haruki Murakami, guys. Woo! Oh, for some reason, this makes reading a different experience. The way that the light...
Trying at it, is it?
Yeah.
It's like bring more wisdom to you, is it?
I don't know. But it just feels so much more fun to read. I'm not even kidding. So this is the first item that we are unboxing today. Let me know what do you guys think of this lamp in the comment section below. Alright, for the second item. Dun, dun, dun. I don't know what is it yet. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Yes, I am. Oh, the packaging is really nice. I see something blue. Kind of my favorite color. I see something orange. Kind of my favorite color too. Is this the right way of taking? Oh, okay. Okay, so now we know it's a household cleaning appliance. Instruction manual. It's a vacuum cleaner, guys. What? A vacuum cleaner this size? The manual is in Chinese. I can't read. Oh, I think this is exactly what I wanted to get last time. Ooh. A vacuum cleaner, a mobile vacuum cleaner. Wow. Wow. Wait. Aku tak ada plug ni ah. Oh, the converter is here. Yes. What is this? Maybe this is a dust filter. And this is the cleaning brush. So it's blue, it's a vacuum cleaner. I guess it's a mobile vacuum cleaner where you go like it's kind of heavy, which usually is a good thing when it comes to appliances, in my opinion anyway. So this is a Debia mattress vacuum cleaner. But I think instead of just using it on the mattress, you can actually use it on sofas, on rugs and stuff like that. You know, all the heavy cloth material places. Looks legit. And I guess since we are doing the unboxing and since we are testing the product, right, we might as well test it on. I can see a couple of spots that I can clean there, so let's go there and see if this works. Welcome to Clean Your Home with your host, Joseph Germani. I am totally not sure if I'm supposed to use this on like hard material, but let's try. Is it clean?
Super.
I'm gonna try it on the sofa now. Boo, you know right, this vacuum cleaner, like for those people who is allergic to like animal fur, right? Like this removes the thing that makes people allergic to pets. Yeah, like 90% or more removing of that thing. I thought I wanted to like end the video already, but I just found out that this light, if you can see, when I put it down, right, when it starts absorbing, like sucking stuff, right, this UV light that they will show, right here, this light, that light, right, it's a UV light that would kill all the dust mites, germs on your mattress. Wow. You guys can't believe how much dust I've collected with one simple cleaning lamp. Can I even like pull this out? Really want to show you guys how much dust we have collected. I was just using it and really collected so much dust already. Can you imagine if I really clean the whole house? How much dust I can actually remove? And it's pretty strong too for a, you know, mobile vacuum cleaner. So it's all good. Alright guys, that is it, the unboxing and sort of like the testing of these two products. Let me know in the comment section below which one is like the one that you would want to have. I think I want both because I actually don't have a desk lamp and I do not have a mobile vacuum cleaner. I call it a mobile vacuum cleaner, but it's actually really powerful. I don't know why I call it mobile. I think it's because it's so handy. The traditional vacuum cleaners are all really huge and chunky one, you know? You know what I mean, right? So now it's something exciting for you guys. Tmall products is actually now available on Lazada Malaysia. So you guys can actually go and buy stuff too. And right now it's free shipping. Free shipping is always a very good thing for online shopper like me. Free shipping, way. Bruh, free! Next is they actually have flash sales, and I know you guys enjoy flash sales because flash sales is usually like a big sale that happens temporarily for a period of time. So their flash sale starts on 14 August 2018. And also don't forget to check out Lazada Malaysia official Facebook page. There will be Lazada TV on 14 and 15 of August, a live auction with these products starting as low as 1 ringgit. Remember to follow Lazada's Facebook, so you guys can actually get your hands on these products too. And if you guys are interested to check it out right now, I'll put a link in the description box below for you guys to click. You can thank me later lah, okay? Alright, that's it for today's unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's our first time unboxing home appliances. Woohoo! A new milestone for this YouTube channel. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment before you leave. Until next video. Bye! Let's go and clean the house while reading a book.